Hi guys! Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you how to exfoliate your lips using this lip exfoliator here. It's basically a sugar scrub in a stick. It's awesome, and it also moisturizes at the same time while it exfoliates. And so, as you can see, I've been drying out my lips for a couple days here so I can make this video. I normally put lip balm on a couple times a day, so it's been killing me, but I'm ready, so let's do this. Okay, so it's just this stick. It rolls up and down, and you just scrub it across your lips. All right, so let's get going. So you're just gonna basically take it and just go back and forth, pressing it in. And it tastes really good too, because it's made of sugar. You just scrub it across, and then of course you can get in there with your finger. This flavor, this one's actually a mint chocolate flavor. That's really good. I just want to like lick my lips. Oh, you can actually, I mean, it's not gonna hurt you either. It's got shea butter and sugar, and it's really sweet and delicious. So, and I'm just gonna come in and with my finger and just kind of give it a little bit more. And like I said, it'll moisturize and soften it up as we do this, as well as getting all that dead skin off. So this will just get your lips nice and prepped for any kind of lip color you put on, lipstick, lip gloss, lip stain. Don't want any cracks or dry skin in there. Okay, and then after you do that, I'm just gonna get a clean rag and just wipe it off. If you want, you can just lick the rest off. Just kidding. It won't hurt you though. Okay, do you see what a difference that makes? And I dried them out so much that they actually are like cracked and bleeding. So nothing we can do about that till that just heals. But so soft, so smooth, and they taste great. Love it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.